of Lindsey Horan, women's national soccer team's Olympic roster today. 9 News sports reporter Aaron Matus tells us the Colorado players are helping Team USA reload.
Rio bound. Lindsey Horan is heading to the Olympics for the first time, and the location couldn't be more perfect.
It's so cool. You know, I've always wanted to go to Rio and just Brazil in general. But yeah, it's soccer. It's just a soccer culture.
The 22-year-old is going to Brazil with her good friend Mallory Pugh.
It's really cool seeing, you know, more Colorado girls in this environment.
The two are part of a youth movement for the women's national team that has proven to be the best in the world.
We've got new personalities, different personalities, and I think new people bring an energy to it. But this new group has been fantastic. They've helped us in terms of, you know, on the field, but also just, you know, building new relationships off the field. I think it's going to be great.
Gold is the goal. That's what Horan grew up watching the team win. It inspired her to one day become an Olympian, and now she is.
You know, it's not just soccer for this competition, which is really cool, and we're all kind of one team as like the American team, and I think that's really cool to be a part of.
And it's going in. U.S. leads.
Horan and Pugh heading to Rio and hoping to add a Colorado touch to what would be a 4th straight gold medal for the United States women. Aaron Matus, 9 News.